Hi, and welcome to day 10 of this month's Make With Me project. This October, we are working on a Crochet Stitches Sampler welcome mat, and we have so far made 9 different stitches, and today we will do our 10th stitch, which is the shell stitch. Let's get started. Okay, I switched my yarn color back to the light gray so I can continue my pattern, and that change of color resulted in my chain 1. So now I have turned my work and I'm ready for my first row of the shell stitches sampler. So to make a shell stitch, we will first make a single crochet. In this first stitch, we are going to skip 2 stitches. 1, 2, and in this next stitch we are going to make 5 double crochets into that same stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So 5 double crochets all into that same stitch. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches, and then in the next stitch make a single crochet. So it should look like that. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches again, and then make 5 double crochets in that next stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet in that next stitch. And we are just going to repeat this pattern across this row. I'll see you guys at the end of the row. Okay, here I am at the end of this first row. I just did 5 double crochets into that one stitch. I'm going to skip that stitch and make a single crochet in the last stitch. Then I'm going to chain 2 and turn my work. We are going to, for this row, we're going to make 2 double crochets in that last stitch we just made. 1 and 2. We are going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and put a single crochet in that next stitch, which will be the top of your 5 double crochets you made in the previous row. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, come to this stitch, which should be your single crochet stitch, and make our 5 double crochets into that stitch. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then we're going to skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and make a single crochet. We're going to repeat this pattern across the row where we skip 2 stitches, do 5 double crochets, skip 2 stitches, put a single crochet. We're going to work that all the way across the row. I will meet you guys at the end of the row. Okay, here I am at the end of my row 2 of this shell stitch. I just made 5 double crochets into that one stitch. I'm ready to skip 2 and make a single crochet, and then I will skip 2 and put 3 double crochets in this last stitch. 1, 2, and 3. And that is the end of row 2. So now we're going to make 2 more rows, essentially just repeating row 1 and then row 2. So we'll chain 1, we will make 1 single crochet, we will skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and in that next stitch we will make 5 double crochets. So there's 1, oops, my work is starting to get heavy. It's a little harder to hold and film. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches and put a single crochet in the next stitch. So we'll repeat this across the row, and I'll meet you guys at the end of the row. Okay, here we are at the end of row 3. I just made my 5 double crochets into that stitch. I'm going to skip that stitch and come make a single crochet in the last stitch. Now we're going to do our final row, row 4, which is just repeating row 2. So we'll chain 2, turn our work, we'll make 2 double crochets in that first stitch, 1 and 2, we'll skip 2 stitches and make a single crochet in the next stitch. We're going to skip 2 stitches, make 5 double crochets in the same stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Skip 2 stitches, make a single crochet in the next stitch. And we're just going to repeat that pattern across this row, and then we will be finished with our shells section of our welcome mat. And there we go. I am finished with the shell section of my welcome mat. And I kind of like how it's got that really nice edging to it. Shells are kind of nice way to add a nicer edge to any piece you're working on, a blanket or anything like that. But there is the shell stitch. And here we are at the end of week 2. We are halfway done. We have learned 10 stitches, and we are starting to look like a welcome mat, which is the goal. So if you guys would let me know below what your favorite stitch you have learned so far is, and share your pictures with me. I'd love to see what your projects look like. But until next time, I'll see you next week.
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.